Isahluko seshumi nantathu, sanibonani, siqhubeka sigcina khona. While angizimisele ngokulanda ngomlando nangezigigaba zonke zenzeka, miningi iminyaka eyadlulayo, izinguquko zebalazwe, ukushintsha kwamagama, ukuguquka kwezimo zepolitiki, okungelula ukuba umuntu ongeyena waseYurophu alandelele kahle. Umuntu usahlulwa ngokwazi ukuthi thina maZulu safika kanjani ngeDabi, and bese sikhuluma siqukethe ngamazwe aseYurophu. Inhlosonqangi ukuzeka indaba yokuphunyuka kwabathile ezweni lasema-Asiriya, ukuqhuba ulibo lwendlu kaJakobe wayebizwa ngo-Israyeli, ukuthi imbala abazange bashabalale unomphela. Into futhi eyayenza kube nzima ukulandelela ngokuthi akunamuntu owaloba umlando wase ewushicila eBhayibhelini njengendlu kaJuda noBenjamini, bona ezabo izincwadi ezashicilelwa yize kungezona zonke, but umlando wabo uyaziwa ngamanye ama-historians afana noJosephus, who was a Roman Jew. Mhlambe aqala ukukhuluma lokhu ukuthi umlando kweBhayibheli, especially isesamaJuda, uhambe nawo ugcine ungasaziwa kwenzakalani. Especially amaJuda asurvive umbuso ngaphansi kwamaGreki, but lokho akubhaliwe lokho. Asurvive futhi ngaphansi kombuso wamaRoma. Okay, lokho kubhaliwe ngoba siyazi ukuthi uJesu yazalwa ngesikhathi kubusa amaRoma. And then after that asizwa ukuthi kwaqhubeka nje ngoba phela sakwazi kukhumbula ukuthi kwaze kwashiswa eJerusalema for the third time mangabhusisi, the second time asho njalo. So zigalisi sona uJesu owasho wathi iJerusalema liyobhidlizwa, ngaze ngasho ithola kuMatthew, but I'm sure chapter bani. So kunezinto ezingekho eBhayibhelini ezimlando but ezenzeka, but ngenxa yama-historians we are able to continue with most of things. So ake ngiqhubeke nodaba, sengizama ukuchaza ukuthi Bible cannot be the only chief source of information for the historical narration of a certain country, yet iBhayibheli lapho libhalelwe ukuba libe yisource ye-faith isikhathi esiningi. So izinto ey'fana nomlando ongenamsebenzi ngokwenhloso yeBhayibheli mhlawumbe azibhali zibeke kanjalo, kodwa-ke thina sinayo inhloso yokwazi ukuthi kwenzekeni la, ngeke vele nje kugcine kanjalo singazi kwenzakalani. So inhloso yethu-ke leyo qhubekela phambili nokuthola ulwazi. Ya, okunye-ke okwaba yisithiyo ukuthi-ke abazange babhale behlala ndawonye njengesizwe, and uma usujula, that was really impossible to find them a place because babeyizizwe eziyishumi, unlike indlu kaJuda okuyizizwe ezimbili kuphela. So umlando wabo, amagama abo ashintsha abizwa ngendlela abathumbi babo abababiza ngayo. Isithatha igama likaJesu is in Aramaic, which was language eyayikhulunywa newayikhuluma. He was called Yeshua, that his name, real name. Jesus is an English name translated from the Greek. So, from the Greek, or from those with the ilimi zayikhulunywa, is Greek name is Roma. So Roma is Latin, then is which is Greek, but is Greek from the Greek. So there's the official language. Njengathi sikhuluma English in Afrikaans, during those days. Namanje sabhalwe ikhona ey'bhalwe nge-English ne-Afrikaans. Those are the languages for the colonizers. So as much as they're conquered by those countries, they were colonized as well. So colonization is just a term, simpler term is used by us nowadays. But even those days, during Zama, Judah, Nama Israelites, they were colonized. Being conquered means being colonized. So nabo bayicolonize nabo. Basically, Jesu ulimi lwakhe ekhuluma wayekhuluma Aramic language. Those language spoken by people in Middle East, especially Qumran, now Judea, njengalezo. Lezo ndawo zonke ezingalapha. Kodwa-ke ngoba bebecoloniziwe nabo, sometimes babekhuluma abantu abafundile kangcono bekhuluma isi-Latin or bakhuluma isi-Greek. Umlando wabo ababhali bomlando babhala ngalezo limi lezo. So that's there. So let me continue because I'm nje okuncane. Ama-Greek-ke amubiza Jesus, and from Latin, which was spoken by ancient Roman. Now the Bible got translated into English, and they said Jesus. Yeshua is his name, is the real name like Jesus. Now one can see how the word can be lost in translation. Just like many people, especially in the Bible scholars, believe that the original message in the Bible was lost in translation. How many times the Bible has been translated? Countless times. Even nangesizulu nje kunama version asedlule kwamahlanu, and each version ibhala ngendlela ehlukile kunale endala. Kwela sidluleke lapha. Kunzima ukwazi lokhu uma ukwazi uthola iBhayibheli elidala. Khona iBhayibheli engahlangana nalo. Idala ngempela. Uma ufunda manje usufunda le version esijwayeleyo, uthola khona incane laba ama-verse abhalwe on top of the words, like abhalwanga on like next to the word. Like for example, uma uqala igama uqala ubhala inamba bezobhala umusho. Mhlambe lo verse ukuthi libhalwe on the top side of the word bhalwe i-verse. Mawulandela kahle loma version lawo awafani nhlobo. So that's why I say sometimes information is lost in translation. Translate one hours now. Kodwa asiqhubekeni bakwethu. Okay. Kunama version lapho kunama version asedlule kwamahlanu, and even each version ibhala ngendlela ehlukile kunale endala. Well, asidluleke lapho. All I'm trying to say is that enye imbangela ukungakwazi ukutrace ama-steps nomlando wendlu ka-Israyeli yizwe abethunjwe kulo, amagama abhalwa ngolimi lwabo, and there had been no translation. Mhlawumbe nokulahleka nje kwama-records akhuluma ngabo lawo mazwe babedingiselwe kuwo. It's a rare to prioritize the history of other people. And an example is here in South Africa. AmaBhunu awazange azihluphe ngokubhala umlando wethu oqondile. Abantu befunda ihistory esikoleni befunda ngokungemlando wabo. Ufika Jan van Riebeeck umlando kabani loyo. NgoamaBhunu, no South Africans. Ama-Hottentots. Who were the Hottentots? It's not even their proper names. So sasifunzwa uvobe. Just that ngokuthi singama-Israel, just thatha ngokuthi singama-Israel ezweni lamaBhunu. So do you understand the situation yama-Israelites in Assyria? Now sesiyazi-ke ukuthi ama-Asirayeli aphunyuka, abazange aphelele e-Assyria. Kungenzeka ukuthi izindaba zafika nakulabo abangazange baphunyuke nabo at that time. Phela khumbula ukuthi they were 10 tribes, and certainly abazange bafuduke advance, but eventually bagcina sebefudukile abanye bebalandela. Besides, God works in mysterious ways. Mhlawumbe nabanye-ke wabahola ngezindlela ezahlukile bephume e-Asiriya beya kwelasenyakatho, yingakho-ke bebizwa izizwe zasenyakatho, northern countries. Ake similana-ke balaleli or bazalwane basuka soqhubeka nalo daba lolu episode 14 nje kungekudala. Siyabonga.